Hi guys, this is Dan French, your local loan officer here in Las Vegas. Wanted to give you guys a quick update on what's going on here in the local Vegas market. Also wanted to tell you guys what's happening with rates and the direction of rates and how that could impact you if you're a homeowner out there. So starting off right now, we're going to talk about rates and what the direction happened for them this week. They are declining still, and they're continuing to decline. A lot of it is because of the headline news that's come out now with the tariff and trade war going on with Mexico. We already have that going on with China, and in general, that has a negative impact on our economy. And so what happens is you see a lot of investors coming in and they're pulling their money out of the stock market and they're putting it into the bond market. And we always talk about the inverse relationship that the bond market has with mortgage rates. You know, you look at the bond itself and then the yield is if the bond price is going higher, traditionally the yield on that bond is going lower. So when you see money coming in, the bond price is obviously going up and the yield on it is going down, and that mirrors what rates are doing right now. Now, not only does that impact what's going on with rates, it also impacts us for the direction of lower inflation. It also impacts us in the direction that the Fed's fund rate has a higher chance of them cutting that at some point, the Fed. And so these things are impacting us quite a bit. You look at the S&P 500, that's down 6% just of this last week because of this tariff talk. And so looking at it as a whole, you know, right now we're seeing a flight to safety trade push right now for bond prices, you know, and that's important to understand that if you guys are out there on the sidelines and you guys are looking to see or maybe find out, is it a good time to buy, especially with interest rates, you guys waited for the right time, because right now we're at the high threes. Right now it's 3.875, and it's really for premium buyers out there. Premium buyers is anybody, for me anyways, a 740 or higher compensating factors. But if you guys are out there and you have not taken advantage of this right now, I would highly recommend contacting me directly to at least see what the savings would be on a rate, maybe reducing your interest rate or pulling money out of your home, paying off debt, repositioning yourself for the better, because you get a lot of people. I did a lot of loans, especially back in 2017, that were doing down payment assistance programs, especially Home is Possible. And those rates are typically higher. And I'm getting a lot of people calling me right now to see if there's a savings on maybe reducing their rate or reducing the payment. And because they don't have the same restrictions that they had imposed in 2018 on a 3-year waiting period. So, you know, you look at what's the direction of rates. I see them continuing to drop. I'm telling all of my clients to float right now. And what that means is that you're going to wait to see what the market does, because there's no sign that this is going to start turning or stopping at some point, just because we now have new talks going on with Mexico that's really negatively impacting our economy. So you look at the home sale prices right now, we're still down. We're continuing to see a drop in home sale prices across the country. Now, here in Vegas, it seems like it's really starting to, it's still thriving. You know, there's not a big drop off. You know, I know it's turned into more of, you have buyers and sellers, I think, as a mix now. I think we were more of a seller's market, let's say about, 8 months ago to, maybe 10 months ago. And you're starting to see a lot of offers coming in with seller contribution. And that's something that we really didn't see, in our past, maybe 10 months ago, just because the sellers were really getting what they wanted. Now, does that mean every situation you're going to get an offer accepted with seller contribution? No, it doesn't. It just means that we're starting to see a real nice flow of our economy here, with rates being as good as they are, and for me advising everybody to float, and the opportunities that are there to refinance your home. Please take advantage of this, guys. At least find out. I don't know, what your situation is. You got student loans, you got a car loan, maybe your rate's at like 6%. Maybe you had bad credit. Maybe you just barely approved for a loan and you're at 5.75, and now you could save maybe a couple $100 to $200 to $300 on your payment. Take advantage of that. You guys, I want you guys to comment in my section below. I want you to also please subscribe to my YouTube channel and also follow me on Facebook. I put out these videos to better educate you, and that way it takes a lot of the technicality or the technical situation out of what's really happening in our economy, and hopefully you guys understand it a little bit better. My name is Dan French. I'm your local loan officer here in Vegas, and I just want to say, you guys, please, stay tuned for future videos that come out. Also, subscribe to my news channel. I really appreciate you guys. You guys are really what makes all this go, and we'll talk to you at our next video.